The number of flood evacuees in Sarawak and Sabah continued to rise. As of 8 p.m. yesterday, in Sarawak, evacuees rose to 11,134 people from 3,087 families in 6 divisions in the state, with the Bintulu division encompassing Bintulu, Tatao, and Sebao districts having the highest number, with 5,350 people from 1,229 families, followed by Syrian division, Syrian, Siburan, and Balai Ringan districts, with 2,254 people from 703 families. Samarahan Division Samarahan, Asajaya, Sibuyao, Simunjan, and Gedong districts with 1,130 people from 508 families. Cebu Division, Silangsao and Kanawit districts with 1,017 people from 237 families. Miri Division, Miri and Subis districts with 608 people from 157 families. And Kuching Division with 475 people from 153 families. In Sabah, the number of evacuees rose slightly to 5,195 people from 1,197 families as of 8 p.m., with 33 relief centers open in 9 districts. After the closing of Dewan Latingi in Kota Belud, Kota Marudu has the highest number of evacuees at 2,944 people from 1,095 families, followed by Pitas, 792 people from 276 families, Lahad Datu, 505 people from 133 families, Telupid, 288 people from 75 families, Paitan, 240 people from 87 families, Kota Belud, 207 people from 67 families, Beaufort, 108 people from 31 families, Baluran, 57 people from 20 families, and Tongod, 54 people from 13 families. The number of evacuees in Kota Belud and Lahad Datu both rose, while the evacuees in other districts remained unchanged.